Welcome to Cybermorrow, where we explore the fascinating intersections of technology, finance, and innovation. Today, we're delving into a unique phenomenon that shapes our world: the S-curve of technology adoption. And what better example to illustrate this than the groundbreaking approval of a Bitcoin ETF in the USA? Join us as we unpack this trend and its implications for the future. The S-curve is a model that represents how technologies are adopted over time. Look at this graph. It's a representation of millions of internet users from the mid-90s up until 2021, courtesy of In Bitcoin We Trust .substack.com off Reddit, just to give them a bit of a shout out. It begins with the early adopters, a small group eager to try new things. Then, as the technology proves itself, the early majority jumps in, followed by the late majority. Finally, the laggards adopt the technology, often when it becomes a standard part of daily life. Think about how the internet, once a novelty, is now indispensable. And as we can see here, from about 1997, we have that early implementation, the innovators. Then between 2000 and 2001, for the internet, we had the early adopters. And it wasn't till around the 2010 period where we had the early majority come into it, as we can see on the graph. So this graph represents the Bitcoin adoption from, say, 2022. It says here that there's 130 million for Bitcoin in 2022, and now 1 billion. Well, it's actually this must be. This is users. Yep, in millions. We're looking at the period now between 2024 and onwards up to 2030. We're looking at projection of 1 billion users for Bitcoin. Now, that will continue to go right up until the next 20 years. Next 20 years or so, we'll still see adoption of this technology. Now, obviously, Bitcoin has a lion's share of the cryptocurrency market. Therefore, we can assume that it will be a great yardstick for the entire cryptocurrency market. Now, that may not mean that all coins will increase in value, but generally speaking, as Bitcoin goes up, the rest follow, the altcoins, then your meme coins. So fast forward to today, a pivotal moment has arrived with the approval of the Bitcoin ETF in the USA. This ETF allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without owning the cryptocurrency directly, a milestone that signals growing institutional acceptance. It's a bridge between traditional finance and the new world of cryptocurrencies. So how does the Bitcoin ETF fit into the S-curve? Initially, Bitcoin was in the early adopters phase, surrounded by skepticism and regulatory concerns. And over time, as understanding and acceptance grew, it started to transition into the early majority phase. This ETF represents a leap towards mainstream adoption, indicating that Bitcoin is becoming a more normalized part of the financial landscape. So the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is as intriguing as it is uncertain. The Bitcoin ETF not only paves the way for broader acceptance, but also highlights the evolving nature of financial systems in the digital age. As we continue to witness the growth of cryptocurrency, they may move towards the late majority phase of the S-curve, indicating a deeper integration into everyday financial activities. So today's exploration of the S-curve and the new Bitcoin ETF demonstrates the dynamic journey of technological adoption. As we keep a close eye on these developments, we invite you to join us for more insights and analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content where technology meets the future. Until next time.